second.
He's still recording. This is going on Facebook.
Amy.
Get up, roommate.
How much do a little split? Chica. Like a cannon. I can't break my hip again.
I can't see if I can see it.
You can do it.
It's too dark.
I haven't done that.
You guys need more light in this room.
We do.
Yeah, our shit's broken.
You guys, let me hold it so I can send it to Brandon. Record
You want me-
from the beginning.
You want me to take another video?
Yeah.
Should I go?
Yeah, you can see now.
Okay. Thanks. Shut up.
Ring floor.
No, this way.
I know.
I see you at school, bro. And hold. 6 inches. 6 inches high, man. Drop. Good job. Yay.
That's it?
Yes. 6 inches high, man.
Babe.